She's just someone I talk to. Don't worry. Someone you just talk to?
Wait, I didn't mean to send that to you.
So that's what I am now. I defended you when everyone warned me. I called patience love and silence strength. Next time you tell someone not to worry about me, make sure I'm already gone.